In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix syncing with iCloud posted on messages on your iPhone and how we can fix it. So if you're facing that kind of an issue, this is what you have to do. So first of all, what you need to do is you have to go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here, you have to tap over here at the top, tap on the profile icon. And from here, you need to go over here like this and tap on the iCloud. Now from here, what you need to do is, as you can see, you have to tap on the see all over here. Just tap on it, and from here what you need to do is you have to scroll it down and navigate to the message is in iCloud. And as you can see right now, the status for me is also syncing is paused. So what I need to do is there is an option called sync now. I need to tap on it, and right now as you can see, what happens is syncing with iCloud is happening right now. So I'll not be having this trouble, and this is what you have to do if you're having the trouble with this. And most probably trying this issue will be completely fixed. Right? And also for some users, they're getting an error over here like this. It says they're getting an error over here like this. It says the status So for some users, they're getting an error over here like it says the status is not syncing, and also they don't have an option here for sync now. If that is the case, it means your iCloud is completely used up, so you have to clear the messages over there and you have to come back here. Then you will be having the sync now option, and also you can sync it. അപ്പോൾ അത് ക്ലിയർ ആക്കണം. സ്പേസ് ആക്കിയാണ്. So for some users, they might be getting this particular error over here. It says the status over here, it's not syncing, which means, you know, one of the reason why this is happening, there is only one reason. So over here, as you can see right now, what happens is for some users, they might be getting the error. It says status is not syncing, and also they don't have an option here to sync now. So if that is the case, only the reason why it is happening all because your iCloud is completely used up, which means you don't have any space left there. So what you need to do is you have to go to the iCloud and clear the or make the storage. Then what happens is the status will be available right now. You'll be having option here for syncing. You have to tap on the sync now and it will be fixed. So these are the two ways on how we can fix it, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.